Hi viewers, welcome to AQSC Group YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and vegetables in major parts of India. Now we are going to see maize wholesale procurement price in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers. Now we are going to see maize auction price in Karnataka Mandi. Auction Mandi, Bijipur, maize arrival 5000 kg, hybrid local variety, minimum price 15 rupees and maximum price 17 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Auction Market, Kushtagi, maize arrival 6000 kg, hybrid and local variety, minimum and maximum price 16 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Chitradurga, maize arrival 42,000 kg, minimum price 15 rupees 70 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 49 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Davankar, maize arrival 41,000 kg, minimum price 15 rupees 80 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 40 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Balkot, hybrid local variety, minimum price 16 rupees 51 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 75 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Bellary, maize arrival 2000 kg, minimum price 16 rupees 42 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 8 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Hubli, Amaragal, minimum price 16 rupees 30 paise and maximum price 17 rupees 20 paise per 1 kg. Now we are going to see maize wholesale price in different parts of Maharashtra Mandi. Auction Marketplace, Ahmednagar, maize arrival 1000 kg, minimum price 12 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 16 rupees per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Kudwadi, maize arrival 4000 kg, minimum price 17 rupees 1 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Aurangabad, maize arrival 1000 kg, yellow variety, minimum price 14 rupees, maximum price 16 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Beed, maize arrival 3000 kg, minimum price 13 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 91 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace, Bokar, maize arrival 1000 kg, minimum price 13 rupees 80 paise and maximum price 14 rupees 29 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace, Akol, maize arrival 2000 kg, yellow variety, minimum and maximum price 13 rupees 30 paise per 1 kg. Auction Marketplace, Ambat, maize arrival 5000 kg, yellow variety, minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees 80 paise per 1 kg. Market Auction Place, Devala, maize arrival 1000 kg, yellow variety, minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 16 rupees 95 paise per 1 kg. Market Auction Place, Dhule, maize arrival 78,000 kg, yellow variety, minimum price 17 rupees 15 paise and maximum price 17 rupees 55 paise per 1 kg. Market Auction Place, Amalner, maize arrival 10,000 kg, Deseret variety, minimum price 17 rupees and maximum price 17 rupees 61 paise per 1 kg. Market Auction Place, Kilidarur, maize arrival 1000 kg, Deseret variety, minimum price 12 rupees 51 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Market Auction Place, Pune, Deseret variety, minimum price 22 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Chikkali, maize arrival 1000 kg, desired variety, minimum price 12 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees 10 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Jalna, maize arrival 29,000 kg, desired variety, minimum price 14 rupees 70 paise, maximum price 18 rupees 38 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Mangalwad, maize arrival 4000 kg, desired variety, minimum price 15 rupees, maximum price 17 rupees 20 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Chopoda, maize arrival 1000 kg, desired variety, minimum and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Last Lagan, Nipat, maize arrival 10,000 kg, minimum price 15 rupees 60 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 63 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Mumbai, maize arrival 21,000 kg, minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Sangamner, maize arrival 1000 kg, minimum price 17 rupees 90 paise, maximum price 18 rupees 70 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace, Sadhana, maize arrival 22,000 kg, minimum price 14 rupees 65 paise, maximum price 18 rupees 26 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Yaval, maize arrival 1 lakh kg, yellow variety, minimum price 8 rupees 60 paise and maximum price 13 rupees 30 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Last Lagan, Vinchur, maize arrival 11,000 kg, minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 17 rupees 87 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Karmala, maize arrival 3000 kg, minimum price 14 rupees and maximum price 17 rupees 51 paise per 1 kg. Market Action Place, Malkapur, maize arrival 73,000 kg, yellow variety, minimum price 15 rupees 65 paise, maximum price 17 rupees 80 paise per 1 kg. If you like this video, kindly share to everyone. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video. Kindly subscribe and press the bell button to get immediate updates of our channel. Thank you for watching.